In this video, I'm actually going to show you how to add a Google map or a map on your WordPress website, right? So first of all, you need to have the location which you want to show to people, right? Then we go to our WordPress website using Elementor, which you can get for free. And I come on this section, right? I click add, and then I can actually select Flexbox. Then I select this type of container. So now I can come here and find an element which is called map. As easy as that, we can just click Google Maps and drag it and put it here. So we go to our Google Maps, right? Then we go and copy the address here, the whole address. Then we go to our website. Then in this section, right, that's where we're actually going to put our address. So if you want this whole container to fill the whole section, right, what you need to do is to actually come on this outer container, then where it says container content width, then you click here and put full width, then it's gonna cover the whole thing, right? So because you see there are gaps shown on the container, right, which might irritate you, right? So you go under advanced, then you click here on the values. You can actually put 0 and everything is cleared off, and you can actually hit publish. You can view it on a tablet, mobile, and that's how you add Google Maps on your WordPress website. Thank you for watching. Bye.